Today we're going to talk about fractions equivalent to whole numbers. First, let's talk about the vocabulary. The numerator is the number above the bar in a fraction. It usually tells how many parts are shaded on a shape. The denominator is the number below the bar in a fraction. It tells how many parts there are in all. Let's look at this picture and shade in the fraction. We have 4/4. The denominator, the bottom number, tells us there should be 4 equal parts. We see 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. The numerator, the top number, tells us that all 4 parts should be shaded in. As you can see, 4/4 is the same thing as 1 whole. Let's take a look at another one, 10/10. The denominator, the bottom number, tells us there should be 10 equal parts. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. And the numerator, the top number, tells us that all 10 parts should be shaded. You can see that 10/10 is the same thing or is equal to 1 whole. Now let's try 8/8. The denominator or bottom number tells us we should have 8 total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the numerator tells us that all 8 parts should be shaded in. Eight-eighths is the same thing as 1 whole. It is equal or equivalent to 1 whole. Take a look at this example. It says write the fraction and whole number that match the picture. So first let's determine the denominator. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total parts. And all 6 parts are shaded. So 6, 6, and that is the same thing as 1 whole. In our last example, we'll first determine the denominator. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. And all 8 parts are shaded. 8/8 is equal to 1 whole. And that concludes our lesson on fractions equivalent to whole numbers.